In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video on Google Slides. Google Slides offers simple tools to control how a video looks and plays during your presentation. It's not a full editor, but with a few settings, you can trim the beginning and end, manage audio, and fine-tune its appearance so it supports your message clearly. Start by selecting the video on your slide. Open Format Options from the toolbar or by right-clicking, then go to Video Playback. Here you can trim the start and end. Type a start time like 0010 and an end time like 0040. This tells slides to only play that portion during your presentation. It's a non-destructive trim, meaning the original video isn't changed. You're just controlling what shows. Use the preview to check that the exact segment you want will play smoothly. In that same video playback section, you can mute the audio. Turn on mute audio if you plan to speak over the video or you're using it as a silent background. This keeps your narration clear and avoids competing sounds. Next, choose how the video plays. You'll see options for on-click, automatically, or manually. On-click is the default and starts when you click during the slideshow. Automatically begins as soon as the slide appears. Great for a seamless flow. Manually keeps the play button visible so you can start it yourself right from the slide. Pick the behavior that matches your pacing and practice it so transitions feel intentional. To adjust the size and position, drag the corners of the video to resize and move it anywhere on the slide. For precision, open size and position in Format Options. You can enter exact width and height, set the X and Y position, and lock the aspect ratio to prevent stretching. This is useful when you want consistency across multiple slides or to align the video with other content. You can also crop the video's visible area for a cleaner look. Select the video, open size and position, and use the crop handles to mask out edges you don't want to show. Remember, this only changes how it looks on the slide. It doesn't alter the source file. Finally, add simple visual polish. Enable a subtle drop shadow to lift the video off the background, and use precise X and Y values to align it perfectly with text or shapes. These are aesthetic tweaks, not true editing. A quick reminder on limitations. Google Slides won't add transitions within the video, overlay text into the video itself, combine clips, or apply filters. For full editing, use a dedicated video editor first, then bring the finished video into Slides for playback and presentation control.